Hey guys, so good morning. It's already 3 a.m. There you go. Pardon my background. So it's 3 a.m. and I'm gonna be preparing. I'll be running at 4 a.m. Today is September 27 and it's Wipro run. Sadly, there will be no gathering, but Wiproites all over the world will be running at least 5 kilometers and we'll be running united and unstoppable. So, see you later, guys. Hey guys, so we're here at the Mactan bridge. It's actually the first and the old bridge. And we're here at sunrise. So while watching down the bridge, I really saw a lot of trash. So I think that's a good place to conduct a cleanup soon. So calling Sir Dan Diaz, we have a location here. There you go. Welcome to Mandawi City! The QC and this is the Mandawi City already. So I'm going back to Lapu-Lapu now.